It's officially the new year, and I don't know about you, but I truly love using this time to evaluate the past year, consider what worked well, and what areas I need to work on or make changes to moving forward. I love resetting my home multiple times a year. I tend to reset, deep clean, and declutter each season. And then anytime I change my decor, which happens a little more frequently between fall and the new year with the seasonal decor. This year, the new year happens to also fall when I'm in my third trimester, so I am feeling the desire to nest that much more urgently and really minimize my home. Feel free to grab a cup of coffee or your drink of choice and join me as I reset my home for the new year and tackle some decluttering along the way. If you have been here through my fall and Christmas decorate with me videos, you know that I like to have my fall decor up in September and October, and then my Christmas decor up in November and December. As soon as January hits, I like to have all my Christmas decor packed away and use the month of January and half of February to sit with a relatively minimal home when it comes to decor. Time acts as a true reset where I don't have much to manage and helps me go into the new year with a clear mind. Once mid-February rolls around, I tend to get a creative itch for changing up my decor a bit and bringing in some hints of spring, although it never feels like spring quite yet. This year, with a baby on the way, my desire to live more simply has even spilled over into my decor. While I love home decor, the more stuff I have to manage, the more overwhelming I find homemaking to be. And with a huge life change about to happen, I know that the less I have to manage, the less overwhelmed I'm going to feel. To use this time to reevaluate what I have. Do I need 12 coffee mugs? If the answer is no, then maybe it's time to donate some and make a mental note not to continue to buy more items like this in the future. The goal with decluttering should be, while we will need to go through periodically and re-declutter, reevaluate what we have. The true goal would be to not constantly bring things in that we then have to reevaluate. Obviously, there are going to be times where things come in and we have to reevaluate and declutter, but my heart is to really be mindful before bringing the items into my home in the first place. Some other homemaking reflection questions I'm taking time to ask myself this time of year are: what rhythms or routines worked well in 2024? What areas of the home felt hard to manage and why? What homemaking skills did I develop in 2024? What skills do I want to focus on in 2025? What will help me reach these goals? What are potential distractions from reaching my goals? Lastly, but certainly not least, how can I draw closer to God in and through my homemaking in 2025? Whether you are a new homemaker like myself or a seasoned homemaker, I think taking some time to answer these questions is beneficial for all of us. like sharing in the comments down below. I would love to know a skill you learned or practiced in 2024 and one you're excited about in 2025. My hope is that by taking a little time this month to intentionally think through these questions and prepare our homes for the year ahead, we all would be able to grow in our homemaking and create simple and sacred spaces that we and our families will love.